Dad, where is Mom?
She left early, sweetheart. She had work.
But she didn't hug me. Mila, are you okay? Yes, I think so. Why does today feel so empty?
Your mom is working hard. She loves you.
I know, but I miss her hug.
Hugs are love, but love stays even when we are far.
So Mom is still with me?
Always.
My baby, I miss you.
Mom, I miss your hug.
My love is always hugging you.
Mom is far, but she still loves me. I can be strong today.
My little girl. I wish I could hug you right now.
Mila, you are very quiet today. Yeah, I didn't sleep well. Are you okay? My mom went to another city for work. Oh, when did she leave? 3 days have passed, my mother has gone. I miss my mother very much. That must feel really sad.
Let's bring her smile back.
Dad? I'm home! Wow,
Your mom helped me plan this.
it feels like she's here.
Your mom wanted you to have this.
It smells like Mom.
Do you like the surprise?
I love it, Mom!
Our girl is smiling again.
Because my family is always with me. I love you guys! I can do this myself. Mom would be proud.
Hey, I'm home. It's okay.
Dad, I was so worried.
Come here, sweetie.
I'm glad you're back. Dad works so hard. Mom works hard too. They do everything for me.
Okay, don't burn the eggs. Oops! Maybe just a little burned.
I tried.
Mila, you made this? This is the best breakfast ever.
Well, I burned the first toast. And the second one too.
But this one is only a little burned. You woke up early for this?
Yeah, you always make breakfast for me, so today I wanted to make breakfast for you.
You even made eggs?
I watched a video 3 times, and I almost dropped the pan.
Oh no.
Try the tea first. I think that's the safest thing here. Too sweet?
A little.
I knew it.
But it's perfect.
Really?
Because my daughter made it.
I just wanted you to smile today.
Mila, do you know something?
What?
When you were little, I promised myself I would always protect your smile. But today, you protected mine. You're becoming very responsible.
I'm practicing for Mom.
She'll be very proud.
Maybe she's almost here. I'll wait.
Lena, the project is finally complete.
Yes. After many long nights.
You worked harder than anyone here.
I just wanted to finish everything quickly.
I think someone was missing home.
Yes, Mila.
You talk about her every day.
She's only 14. She still waits for my hugs every morning.
That's special.
The day I left, she woke up after I was gone.
She didn't even get to say goodbye.
That must have been hard.
She tried to sound strong on video calls, but I know my little girl.
You really love your family.
Long trip today?
Yes, but finally, I'm going home.
That's always the best feeling. Family waiting for you?
My husband and daughter.
How old is your daughter?
14. She talks a lot, but when she's sad, she becomes very quiet.
She sounds sweet.
She is. She pretends to be strong,
baby.
Mom! Welcome home.